Hey everyone, a big hello from Macau. We are back in the City of Dreams. We want to welcome all our guests from all over the world coming to this major event this weekend. Guys, for those who've got a ticket, you are going to have a fantastic event. For those that don't have a ticket, it's very important, guys, please set your diary, set your alarm, set your calendar to get on the live stream. We are going to have a fantastic event here in Macau. I'm here with the two owners. Guys, tell the people what's happening.
I'm so excited, so many new friends coming to Macau, so many people existing, our partners I see last hours, last days, and really this will be big show, so many news, so many facts. This will be awesome. I'm so excited.
Oh my God, guys, you are so full of power
I'm
right
tingling,
now. Keep a little bit for the Sunday. I was today the second time in the arena and it feels like home there. Yeah? We are back in the arena. On Sunday, we will have so incredible show for you. And right now, the best networkers in the world are joining FutureNet. And some of them, they know already the secrets. On Sunday, we will share them with you. Like you, Paul, say, when you are here, fantastic. If not, join the live streaming, go on our event website and buy the ticket. See you on Sunday, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Don't miss the big wave.